Hello friends, today we're diving into the vibrant world of Ecuadorian weddings. These celebrations are more than parties, they're woven with love, family, and generations of tradition. With our roots and welcoming new family with open arms. We'll explore the rituals, the meaning behind each tradition, and how love and family are at the heart of it all. No matter where you're from, love is a universal language that connects us. Let's begin this journey and celebrate what makes Ecuadorian weddings so special. The journey to marriage in Ecuador is a beautiful tapestry woven with tradition, family, and heartfelt customs. It all begins with a significant step, the. This translates to asking for the hand, and it's a cherished tradition that marks the formal beginning of the engagement process. The is essentially a formal visit. It's when the groom's family doesn't arrive empty-handed. They bring gifts, often including beautiful bouquets of flowers, carefully arranged fruit baskets, or other tokens of appreciation. These gifts are offered as symbols of respect and goodwill towards the bride's family, demonstrating the groom's family's sincerity and their desire to build a strong relationship. The is more than just an exchange of words and gifts. It's a deeply personal and heartfelt moment where both families come together, often in the bride's family's living room, to share in this significant occasion. It's a time for connection, for getting to know one another better, and for laying the foundation for a lasting bond between the two families. During the formal proceedings, the groom's father typically takes the lead. He speaks eloquently about his son's intentions, expressing the depth of his son's love and commitment to the bride. He articulates the groom's desire to build a life together and to honor and cherish the bride for years to come. Following the groom's father's heartfelt words, the bride's parents carefully consider individuals but of two families. It signifies the merging of their histories, their values, and their hopes for the future. It's a moment of profound connection and shared joy. Once the blessing is given and the bride's parents have voiced their approval, the engagement is officially recognized and celebrated. The atmosphere shifts from formal to joyous, filled with smiles, laughter, and heartfelt congratulations. Following the formal proceedings, the groom often takes the bride aside for a private, romantic moment. It's during this intimate exchange that he presents her with the engagement ring, a sparkling symbol of his love, commitment, and promise of a shared future. To commemorate this special occasion, families often gather for a celebratory dinner or a formal toast. This is a time for sharing stories, expressing well wishes, and reveling in the joy of the newly engaged couple. With the engagement traditions and family customs, with each family contributing their unique heritage to create a celebration that is both personal and meaningful. This blending of traditions adds depth and richness to the wedding experience. The entire wedding preparation phase is a time of intense family bonding, fostering stronger relationships and creating lasting memories. It's a collective effort with everyone pitching in to make the couple's dream wedding a reality. In Ecuador, a wedding is more than just a ceremony. It's a community celebration, a testament to the power of love, family, and tradition, built by many hands and celebrated with open hearts. It's an unforgettable experience that marks the beginning of a new chapter in the couple's lives. The heart of an Ecuadorian wedding day lies in its deeply symbolic ceremony, a tapestry woven with threads of faith, tradition, and profound personal meaning. It's a moment where two lives intertwine, witnessed by family, friends, and the blessings of a higher power. This sacred event is very often held within the hallowed walls of a Catholic church, a space filled with history, reverence, and the echoes of countless vows exchanged before. The architecture itself often lends a sense of grandeur and timelessness to the occasion. The bride, a vision of radiant beauty in her white gown, makes part of loved ones, gathered in a historic setting that speaks to the enduring nature of love and commitment. The pews are filled with faces beaming with joy and well wishes for the happy couple. Central to the ceremony are key rituals, moments steeped in symbolism. These include the exchanging of rings, a timeless gesture representing an unbroken circle of love and fidelity. The rings, worn on the finger, serve as a constant reminder of the promises made on this special day. And then there's the lazo. This is a significant tradition where a beautifully adorned cord is gently placed around the couple's shoulders by their chosen godparents. This act symbolizes the couple's unity, their commitment to facing life's challenges together, and the unbreakable bond they now share. It's a visual representation of their intertwined destinies. The aras, a set of 13 coins. These are exchanged between the bride and groom, representing a promise of shared responsibility, mutual support, and unwavering trust in their journey together. Each coin signifies a different aspect of their life, from financial security to the well-being of their future family. All of these acts, rich in meaning and embroidery into their dresses, adding a personal touch that honors their heritage. From the smallest detail to the grandest gesture, every element of the wedding reflects the couple's unique love story and their deep connection to their cultural heritage. It's a celebration of who they are, where they come from, and the future they are building together. The ceremony, therefore, is a beautiful anticipation, and the atmosphere shifts from solemn vows to unrestrained joy. After the ceremony, the fiesta bursts to life, a kaleidoscope of colors, sounds, and flavors that embodies the heart of Ecuadorian culture. It's a moment where traditions are honored and new beginnings are celebrated with unbridled enthusiasm. This isn't just an evening affair. It's a celebration that can last until sunrise. The party stretches on, fueled by music, dance, and the sheer exhilaration of the occasion. As the night deepens, the energy only intensifies, creating a magical atmosphere where memories are forged and bonds are strengthened. It's a testament to the enduring spirit of Ecuadorian celebrations, where time seems to stand still in the face of pure, unadulterated joy. The newlyweds' first dance kicks off an evening of music, a symbolic moment that marks the beginning of their journey together as husband and wife. All eyes are on them as they glide across the dance floor, their movements reflecting the love and commitment they share. It's a tender and intimate moment, setting the tone for the festivities that follow. The air is filled with laughter, echoing through the venue as guests share stories, jokes, and heartfelt congratulations. This is followed by endless dancing. The dance floor becomes a vibrant tapestry of movement, with guests of all ages joining in the celebration. Live bands or DJs play everything from traditional pasillo, the soulful and romantic music that speaks to the heart of Ecuadorian culture. The music selection then transitions to salsa and cumbia, infectious rhythms that compel everyone to move their feet. The irresistible beats are infectious, getting everyone on the dance floor, regardless of age or skill. It's a joyous expression of unity and shared celebration. As the night progresses, the energy reaches a fever pitch with the arrival of the Hora Loca, or Crazy Hour, which brings wild costumes. The Crazy Hour also brings pure fun, creating unforgettable memories as guests don masks, wigs, and other playful accessories, letting loose and embracing the spirit of revelry. Beyond the music and dancing, Ecuadorian cuisine shines at the feast, a culinary journey that tantalizes the taste buds and nourishes the soul. The feast includes dishes like roast pork, a succulent and flavorful centerpiece that embodies the richness of Ecuadorian gastronomy. There is also ceviche, a refreshing seafood dish marinated in citrus juices and spices, offering a burst of flavor that invigorates the palate. And, as the night winds down, there is the midnight chicken soup, caldo de gallina, a comforting and restorative broth served to keep guests energized and ready to continue the celebration. No Ecuadorian wedding is complete without the wedding cake, a showstopper that commands attention with its elaborate design and sweet promise. The cake cutting marks the couple's first shared task, a symbolic gesture that represents their commitment to working together and building a sweet future. Heartfelt toasts from loved ones add emotion, offering words of wisdom, love, and encouragement to the newlyweds as they embark on their married life. These toasts are often peppered with humor, eliciting laughter and creating a lighthearted atmosphere that celebrates the joy of the occasion. The combination of heartfelt sentiments and joyful moments makes the celebration both deeply meaningful and incredibly lively, a true reflection of the couple's love and the bonds they share with their family and friends. Ultimately, the fiesta is more than just a party. It's a celebration of community, love, and tradition, where everyone truly comes together to honor the newlyweds and share in their happiness. It's a reminder of the importance of connection, belonging, and the enduring power of shared joy. Ecuador's diverse regions bring unique textiles and multi-day celebrations involving the whole community. Coastal weddings are relaxed, with seafood feasts, tropical music, and outdoor parties by the ocean. In the Amazon, ceremonies led by elders or shamans honor nature and community, using rainforest elements for decoration. Afro-Ecuadorian weddings in Esmeraldas pulse with marimba music and energetic dances. Galapagos weddings are intimate, focusing on love amid stunning natural beauty. Each region's customs reflect its people and landscape, creating a rich mosaic of tradition. Rituals, it's the personal moments that define Ecuadorian weddings. A grandfather's blessing, a surprise folk dance, or a couple sharing their celebration with a community in need. These stories become family legends. Weddings unite generations, honor roots, and show resilience even in tough times. The laughter of children, emotional toasts, and the joining of two families at one table are the true heartbeats of the celebration. These unscripted moments create lasting memories. They remind us that weddings are about connection, love, and shared experience. That's what makes them unforgettable. Ecuadorian weddings are more than beautiful parties, they strengthen families and communities. Every tradition, from the Pedida de Mano to the last dance, weaves two families into one. The roles of godparents, or padrinos, highlight the importance of mentorship and support. Preserving these customs keeps our cultural identity alive in a fast-changing world. When couples honor traditions like the lazo or aras, they carry their heritage forward. At every wedding, look for the web of relationships being strengthened and the joy shared by all. These celebrations are living proof of love's power to unite us. That's the true legacy of Ecuadorian weddings.